3 things you can do without a lawyer if you're injured by a medical professional. Hi, I'm Tom Friedman. I'm a lawyer in Nevada, and the first thing you can do if you've been injured by a medical professional that doesn't require a lawyer is to go make a report. If you're in a hospital, a clinic, something like that, go tell management front desk, say, hey, I've been injured, I want to make a report. And this is important because if you just leave without telling anybody, they're going to say, well, obviously it never happened, you didn't even make a report. So go make that report. Now, this also applies for other injuries. If you're at a shopping mall, if you're in a grocery store, casino, and you're injured, you want to go find somebody and tell them you want to make a report. This doesn't just apply to medical type injuries. The second thing you can do without having a lawyer is if your injury is a little different than a medical malpractice, where instead of somebody leaving too many sponges inside you or nicking a vocal cord, maybe it's a little bit sexual or improper touch, you might consider contacting the police and making a police report as well. The third thing you can do is if the medical facility doesn't make it right, you can contact the licensing agency in your state. Now, I'm here in the state of Nevada. The MDs are licensed by the Nevada State Board of Medical Examiners, and there's a link on their webpage where you can click to file a complaint, and they will go investigate, and they're the ones that hold the doctor's licenses. So doctors don't like this. So obviously, if you just don't like a doctor's personality, don't go running to the board to report them. But if there is something really bad that they did, that's a place you would go. The nurses have something similar. They're licensed by the Nevada State Board of Nursing. The Nevada State Board of Massage Therapy has licenses for massage therapists. So each of these boards have websites, and each of the websites have links where consumers can go to file complaints. Now, if your incident is something that you cannot resolve on your own or with these other 3 avenues, and you do need a lawyer, just know that at least here in Nevada, the legislator passed a law some years back about keeping doctors in Nevada, which means that in order to file a medical malpractice case in the state of Nevada, you have to go get an expert in the same field that the doctor worked in that hurt you, and you have to get that expert to say, hey, essentially this doctor committed malpractice. And so finding experts is challenging, and doctors are expensive. So realistically, just getting an expert is going to cost thousands of dollars before you even file your lawsuit. So if your claim is relatively small, it might not even make sense to go forward with a medical malpractice claim. If you've got any questions, please feel free to drop me an email, give me a call, and thanks very much for watching.